Good morning, students. Today we will continue topic computer languages and its classification. Computer languages has been classified into 4 categories. First is machine language, second assembly language, third high level language, and fourth generation language. First we will study machine language. Machine language is also regarded as a first generation language and it acts as a bridge between programmer and computer. It is the only language that a computer understands. It is expressed in binary form, that is 0 and 1, where 0 means off state and 1 means on state. So, machine language is the only language that can be understood by the computer easily. Computer operate in binary. Binary means it has the base 2 and it uses 2 digits 0 and 1. Computers store data and perform calculation using the sequence of zeros and ones, where 0 means off state and 1 means on state. Machine language has the advantage of very high speed and very low memory utilization. First of all, we will discuss first example, that is high speed. Program written in machine language need not to be translated into the binary code as it is already in the sequence of zeros and one that can be directly understood by the computer. So conversion time is reduced or zero. Conversion time is that time in which we convert the program that is written in high level language using Java, C++, HTML into the machine code, into the machine language, that is 0 and 1. And the program converted into machine language is known as object code or machine code. And the program written using high level languages such as Java, C, C++ is known as source code. So source code need to be converted into the object code, and that is the conversion time, and that is reduced, which enables the execution of the program extremely fast. That results in its high speed. Second is very low memory utilization. As the program is already in 0 and 1 form, so it need not to be converted again. So memory is reduced. Only one time memory is used to save the program. But understanding and learning machine language is a tough and time consuming process. It is very difficult to write and debug programs written in machine language. While programming using the machine language, the programmer need to be very conscious about the instructions to be executed or expressed in the sequence of zeros and 1, which is very complex task. So errors are frequently occurred while programming using the 0 and 1 sequence. That is why writing program in machine language is a time consuming process and it is very difficult to write, as user had to remember the 0 and 1 sequence for each instructions, and debug programs that is written in machine language. Debug means to find and remove the errors from the program. It is extremely machine dependent. That is why machine language is also regarded as low level language. Machine language is dependent on the machine, so it is regarded as the low level language. A machine language is designed in terms of execution by the hardware of the computer. So the task of programming using the binary code would be complex. These features would result in programs that would be difficult to read, check for errors or debugging. That is why a machine language program written on one computer may or may not run on another computer. because it is designed in terms of execution by the hardware. So hardware is different from one computer to another computer. That is why the program that is written on one computer need to be rewritten on the another machine. And even a slight change in machine language, that is a change of bit position, it would result in the whole instruction sequence. It would affect the whole instruction sequences. For example, 0001, if we change the position of one bit from 4th to 3rd, then it would result in rewriting the program starting from the scratch. That is why very few people opt for specialization in machine language, as user need to remember the binary code that is in form of 0 and 1, and that is very tough and complex task. Let's know more. Syntax are the rules governing the formation of a statements in a programming language. When we write a program using a programming language, using any programming language, in each programming language, syntax are the set of rules that govern the formation of statements. स्टेटमेंट्स को फॉर्म करने के लिए रूल्स हैं, उस रूल्स को हम क्या बोलते हैं? सिंटेक्स. इफ़ वी वांट टू execute any program using HTML, C++, Java, we will study HTML language in our second chapter. If user try to execute a command without a proper syntax, it generates syntax error and usually causing the program to fail in execution. Let's know more. In software development, beta release refers to a product or a technology which is still in development but is released only for testing and evaluation purpose. That is, software developers release beta version of the software in order to garner useful feedback before releasing the final version of a program. They provide web forums that allow the beta testers to post their feedback and discuss their experience using softwares. Second language is assembly language, that is regarded as a second generation. This language uses mnemonic codes or symbols in place of 0 and 1. For example, if the operation code for add is 0010 in binary language, it can be directly written as ADD in assembly language. As assembly language uses symbolic codes, hence it is easy to work in assembly language than in binary language. So in assembly language, which is the second generation language, we uses mnemonic codes or symbols in place of zeros and 1 that is used in machine language. For example, if the operation code for add is 0010 in binary language, in assembly language it can be written as ADD. It uses symbolic codes. So it is easy to work in assembly language than in binary language, because we need not to remember the binary codes for the instructions or operations. Instead of binary code, we use the symbolic symbols that can be easily remembered by the users. Second is, assembly language is also machine dependent like machine language, and programming in this language is quite time consuming. Thus, it is also regarded as a low level language. Now, assembly language or assembly code can be converted to machine language using an assembler. And it may also be called as a symbolic machine code. Each assembly language is specific to a particular computer architecture and sometimes to an operating system also. So it is not portable. That means a program written in one assembly language would need to be completely rewritten for it to run on the another type of machine. Moreover, there is a one-to-one relationship between what it tells the computer to do, it means assembly language, and what the computer does. That is, one line of an assembly language program contains the maximum of one instruction for the computer. That is 1:1. One line of assembly language program performs the one instructions for the computer what to do. Thank you, students.